waiting for you.
I know. Why does it read?
How are you? I'm fine. Welcome. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead.
Sis.
My country people body just dey torturing me. This video has seriously made my night. Hey, where are my amiable lovers? Make una carry seat, draw come front, cause another tori don land. This time around is a very good news, a beautiful news to behold. Chai, where all these people where they chook their eyes and their mouth, they talk say Maurice Sam and Mummy Uche doesn't match. Will Mummy Uche Nancy accept Maurice Sam as her son-in-law to be? Hello, make you confront. Yes, me, Cindy, I'm a boyhead girl, don't bring gist come for you. Make I play this video, make you hear wetin Mummy Uche Nancy talk about Maurice Sam.
Waiting for you. Don't do it, guys. Forget. That's the only person who it be for this industry.
My boss.
Don't move me.
My boss.
Don't move me from my comfort zone.
You do things.
Hope say you heard her correctly. She said Maurice Sam is the only guy that moved her, the only guy she don't accept for her daughter, because say Maurice Sam has a very good heart. Hello, so we have a wedding to plan. Our plans are going on well. We are Sonia's lovers. Mommy has endorsed Maurice Sam as our potential son-in-law. Hello. I'm so happy watching this particular video. It made my night, and I know it made yours too, cause you watching her say something like this, I know you just dey smile, dey shine your 32 as you hear wetin she talk. I be a lie, I no lie. So guys, see you guys on my next episode. You see your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. They give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Ngwanu, bye.